But if it goes back a little bit, you get a back tire out of that hole.
Look how you kept backing up into the hole.
Yeah, you try to back up a little bit. Tiny bit.
Like, I just want to see what happens. Give it a tiny bit again. Keep going. 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 Keep your tire. Hold on. Now the fine.
All right, now go straight. Now go straight.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
Now don't turn. Don't turn. Just go straight.
Go straight.
Why?
Let him go straight back, straight up. You're on the mud now. You're off the mud. All right, now cut it hard. Cut it hard right. And just go slow.
Why don't you just go straight? Go straight. Don't even turn the wheel.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Go, give it a little gas.
I'm going forward.
Don't go forward.
Say your wheels turn. Not flipping in back.
Ready, go.
Not flipping back in the hole. No, you're not even in the hole.
You're out of the hole.
Danny, go. Go, Danny.
Dude, you're good.
Danny, go.
No, you're on solid ground.
Well, you need to just back the fuck into this. Alright.
Is that muddy?
Yeah, it's funny, but you... Look at this. What you do? Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel. Alright. Let's try one more thing and then... I'm going backwards. You just gotta go right down into here. I need to cut to the right. It's all muddy.
Yeah, I don't think you would get stuck if you get past where Steph is.
Cut to the right. Other way. Yeah. Take it front up.
No, you're good. You're good. Keep going.
No. Dan.
Go straight, dude. Straight back. Don't turn the wheel.
Have your head elbow on.
Keep going.
Go ahead. Just go. Ride it out. Good. Just go straight back.
Keep going.
Back. Don't stop.
Keep
going. Go. Tell your wheel to left, David.
Keep going.
Come forward and just back the fuck out.
Dude, you're trying like... I can't believe someone got stuck in your driveway. Yeah, go towards those bushes because it's more drier down there. You got more flex down here.
I'm gonna move forward and then back straight.
Yeah, go straight and then get more traction. Just do one solid.
Here, let me in the truck.
Back up. You want me to do it?
Let Kenny drive.
You want me to do it? All right, let him do it.
I don't mind stuff. Here, hold on, I'm going to push you. Okay, let me cut the edge of that real quick. Go straight.
Oh my God. My dad's gonna freak a leak. Oh my God.
They're gonna hate Danny.